Grade 1 and 2, welcome in your science lesson. Now, tell me, class, that what was the topic that we have started yesterday? It was a new topic we had started on the first day of week 22nd. What was that? Correct. It was pollution. We have started a new topic that is pollution. Now, today also we are going to continue pollution, and what we are going to discuss that I'm going to tell you in a minute after showing you a picture. Now, I'm going to show you a picture and you are going to tell me what that picture is about. Okay, so are you all ready for the picture? That's great. Okay. Now, can you all see my screen, class? What's this picture about? What is this boy doing over here? And how does this area look like? It's looking dirty. Why it is looking dirty? Yes, because there are so many wrappers and different things are thrown on the floor, on the grounds, right? So this is a clean area or a dirty area? It's a dirty area. Actually, it's a polluted area, right? Okay. Now, let's see another picture. What this picture tells you. Is it a clean area or a dirty or a polluted area? It's a polluted area. There are so many garbage things over there on the ground. All the other wrappers and all trash is there on the ground, on the land actually. So they have made the land clean or dirty? Dirty. They have polluted. They have polluted the land. They have made the land look dirty and polluted. Now, we have seen both the pictures. So what these pictures tells you? It shows the land pollution. So today we are going to learn about land pollution. So you have seen in that picture how the land was polluted, right? There were so many dirty things all over the land, right? There were garbage and other things. So what happens, children, that what happens to animals and plants if they are living in such type of area? They are going to die. It will affect the animals and it will affect the plants, because if the animals are living in dirty places, in polluted places, obviously all the dirt is going to go in their stomach. They might feel sick or they might die, right? They might die. Now, I have already explained you. I have shown you a presentation yesterday. I'll share that presentation again with you so that you can see other things of pollution as well, right? Okay. Now you can see that this picture tells you about different types of pollution, right? Now we are not going to go in detail about these pollution, because since we are not doing this today. Now, what type of pollution is this? You can see the garbage is there is all this rubbish is on the land. This truck is just throwing all the garbage over here, dumping at one side. So, what type of pollution is this? What do you call it? Correct. It's land pollution. You can see here garbage is there. This is actually the picture is showing the particular place where you dump all the garbage, right? Where all the garbage is dumped at one place. So if animals and plants were here, or if human beings were living here, what is going to happen to them? They will fall sick, right? Human beings and animals, they might fall sick or they might die. Why? Because if they are breathing in such type of area, if they are eating in such type of area, so it's going to affect their stomach, it's going to affect their lungs. So they might have some issues, some problems, and some of them might die. So this polluted area is very, very effective. It's very, very dangerous for all of us, whether it is human beings, whether it is animals, whether it is plants. It is dangerous for us, right? Now, let's watch a video. And again, this video is of our EdWorld video. So you can like this video, you can play this video later on and see what this video tells you.
Pollution. Pollution is destroying our planet. There is noise pollution, which can result in hearing problems. And then there's bad gas pollution, smoke, which comes from cars, factories, planes, and garbage. It can result in something really bad for us. We can have sneezing, fever, and problems in our lungs. Then there's pollution in the water. Garbage and trash thrown by people and factories and industries in the sea is killing the sea world. And all pollution
Sorry.
and factories and industries in the sea is killing the sea world and all the living under the water. And when you swim in this water, it results in bad stomach and other diseases as well.
Okay. So you have seen that how pollution is harmful for us. Over in this video, you have seen all the pollution. So turn by turn, we are going to discuss these four types of pollution. So today we are going to discuss only land pollution. And you know how land is polluted when you throw garbage on the floor, when you throw wrappers and all these things, eatables, the rubbish on the ground, your land will become polluted. So that is why, how are you going to reduce that pollution? You will not throw anything on the floor. You will not throw anything on the ground. Where are you going to throw all the rubbish? In the dustbin. This is how you are going to save your earth. This is how you are going to save your planet, right? So what happens that when you are, when you are living in such type of areas, it is going to be effective for you. You are going to harm yourself, and it is going to harm the animals. What happens to animals? Some of them, they might die. Why? Because they are breathing in such type of area. And what happens to plants? When you, the plants, they might not grow properly, right? Because they are not getting that kind of water, that kind of air which is needed. Now what happens when you cut down the trees? You cut down trees, why? Because you need few things. You need wood, you need other things which are is needed from the tree. So you cut down the tree. What happens then? That tree will be replaced from a new tree. A new tree, people cut down tree, a new tree can be replaced. New tree can be replaced, and then again this tree is going to grow. You will again cut down, then again that will be replaced by a new tree. That is a proper process because you need that part of a tree to make few things, right? Now, what happens, what else is going to, now you cut down the tree for the sake of your own, for the sake of things that you need. What happens, what else cut downs the tree, what harms the trees, what else harms the tree? Actually, the wind. The wind harms the tree. Sometimes the wind is so high it blew away all the trees. Remember the picture I've shown you, how the tree was bending like that because of the pressure of the wind. And in the same way, if God forbid there is a fire, that fire is also going to destroy that tree. Yeah? Yes or no? Because of the fire, the tree is all burned. Then you have to build another tree, right? So in the same way that it can, when the fire kills the tree, a new tree is going to come back in a couple of years, or in a couple of time. It's going to grow back, right? So that tree is going to grow back, or you may replace that tree from a new tree, right? But what happens to plants? What happens to animals? Once they are breathing in such type of area, they might die. If a plant is destroyed, if a tree is destroyed, that could be replaced by a new tree, a new plant. But if animals are destroyed or animals are harmed, it is going to harm them. they are going to either die or they are going to fall sick. So it means that pollution is very, very dangerous. Land pollution is very dangerous for, it is very harmful for animals, it is very harmful for plants, it is very harmful for human beings, right? So how you are going to save your land? How you are going to make your land free from pollution? If you are not going to throw the garbage on the land, on the floor, you should throw it in the dustbin, and you should throw all the garbage to a particular area which is meant for that garbage. Like I have shown you that presentation in which all the garbage was dumped on one area, and from that they are going to burn it, whatever they are going to do, so that it's going to vanish from their land. You understand? Why they dump the garbage on one area? So that they will burn that garbage, it's going to be vanished, and it is going to be free. That area will be cleaned up later on, right? So you should always throw all the wrappers in the dustbin, whether you are in house, in your homes, whether you are outside. Don't throw any garbage on the road. Don't throw anything on the ground. It is very, very dangerous. Okay. So that way you can clean, you can keep your area clean, you can keep your planet Earth clean, right? It will be free from pollution. If there is no pollution, human beings and animals will be healthy, they will be more strong, right? If there is no pollution. Isn't it like that? Yes. Now comes the time for you to do the task. Now, since there are two classes, grade 1 and grade 2. So what grade 1 is going to do, grade 1 is going to draw a picture of showing land pollution. You will just write down the heading land pollution and you will draw the picture. Whereas grade 2 are going to draw the picture of land pollution and you are going to write 2 sentences about that pollution. Am I clear? What grade 1 is going to do? Grade 1 is only going to draw a picture of land pollution, whereas grade 2 is going to draw as well as write 2 sentences about land pollution. I'm going to give you 12 minutes for this task and your time starts now. All right, time is up. Show me your pictures. Wow, great. Very nice. Excellent. So it means that pollution, land pollution is very, very clear to you all. How land is polluted, that is clear to you all. How you are going to save your land from pollution, that is clear to you all. Yes. Now tomorrow we are again going to do another type of a pollution. So keep revising whatever we have done throughout this week, and today whatever we have done, keep revising that because it's going to help you out. As I have said before, your final exams are very near, so you should revise whatever we do every day. Okay, and I'll be posting your homework on portal. Do it yourself and don't forget to watch that Edworld video of pollution again. It's going to help you out. Okay, children, bye bye. See you next time.